Hello everybody. Hope you guys are having a nice day, and today I will show you how to get the wrench. Actually, how to get the lockpick, the wrench, and the red key. So, ow, ow, come on, really? Does he see anybody? Okay, I'm gonna go. Yeah, I'm just gonna go. It's not a huge deal if you find me, but I'm gonna go. He's close. He's close. Oh wait, I have too many items. Throw that over there. Throw this! Throw away the key. Oh, I got this. Hey, give me that. I got the right angle. There! I got it. Okay, so you got to use this lockpick on this door. You go in here, you grab the wrench, run back. Oh god. No! Go up here. Come on, are you up here? He's gone, he's gone. Go up here. Go down. Grab the red key. Go. Go. You can lower this if you want, because he's outside, so that's okay. And you can use the key on this. And then you are in the basement. So thank you guys for watching this.